This is a brand new 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, a premium audio system, satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.